That's lovely.
Okay. Right, so Liam, this is what we're going to do.
Now where are we going to cut it?
Wait a minute.
Right, we're going to cut that pipe about there. So
Okay.
this is how you
Where?
do it. Let me show
Are
you.
you filming
This
the
is what
actual
you do. You put
video?
that on there.
Yeah.
You have to squeeze that in.
I'm only going to do the bit.
Now you turn it
Okay.
that way, not that way. That way.
Okay then.
So you turn it, I'll hold it. Keep turning.
Your head's cut off.
It's really hard to turn, but keep going, keep going. Alright?
How do you know?
The pipe will cut in half when you finish. That's it.
Is it cut?
And now it's in two halves.
Cool.
Yeah? So that's how you cut the pipe. Now what we have to do, we have to prepare it for soldering. So I'll show you one and you can do the other one. So what we do is get that and we twist it around the pipe to clean it up. And it comes out all sharp like that. Yeah? So you do that one.
Help him,
that.
help him.
You grip it with your grip it really hard. Now twist it around the pipe. Oh, right on the end. The end of it.
Time up careful.
Yeah.
Hold his hand. Darcy, no.
Are we going to use like something to
Show
cut
me,
the
let's
wood?
have a look. Right, that's nice and clean. Now what we do, so we can lay them down there like that. We're going to put some flux. This is called flux. And this is what helps the solder run. We put what we do, we put a little bit of this on here, like that. And that cleans it even more.
You want some time up here?
So you do that one. Just paint a little bit of that on there.
Right.
All the way around it. That's it.
You're too heavy.
And then we put that back in there. Screw
You're
that
too heavy.
on. And don't touch that because that's the
Mummy,
acid
he's
on
trying to
there, so don't
copy
touch
me. Mummy.
that. Now we get this. This is our join. We're going to solder that to that. Okay? So then we're going to join those two pieces of pipe. We're going to get a rag and we're just going to take off the excess flux. Like this. Remove the excess flux, yeah? Right, now we're going to lay that. Just be careful that doesn't come apart. And don't touch that where it's got flux on it because it'll burn you. Right, so this is the solder. What we're going to do, we're going to warm this up with the blowtorch. And we're going to solder this, okay?
Where do I put it?
Right, let me start this for you.
Then
So come around here so we can all see. We're going to heat this pipe up. Get it nice and get that really warm. Get that right in there. This is solder, yeah? And what happens, you put this on there, in a minute it'll melt it all there. See it melt? Yeah? And then we'll do a bit this side. Not too much, not too close. That's it. Right, now then, click that, and that goes off. Don't touch the end because that'll be really hot. You see that? See the solders are on all the way around. You see it's shiny? That's because the solders are on all the way around there. Now we can. Now these two pipes are joined, but they're very hot. They're really hot, so we're gonna put this under water to cool it down.
One day there's no water.
Right. So Liam, this is all cooled down now. And you've joined your pipes. See, you've joined your pipes. That's your first. That's your first ever pipe you've joined. And that could, careful, is it still warm?
Yeah, it's not hot,
Oh, man.
but it is warm.
It's warm, yeah. Okay. So this is going to be our rocket launcher. It doesn't look like it, but it will be. Right, so this goes on here like... Well, let me put the hose on first. Right. So that goes on there like that. Okay. We're going to get some water. This is our rocket. This is our rocket. We're going to get some water and put it. Yeah, so this is going to be our rocket, and this is going to be. I'm going to have to put this on here like this. That goes on there like that. Squeeze that on there. Okay. So this is going to be our rocket. Hold on. Where should we launch it from? Oh, might have to. We're going to put this on the grass maybe. Take this off.
Ready? Ready, go.
You're going to press the trigger?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Ready?
10.
Oh,
9.
no, whoa. You're too close.
Too close. Well, I want it to land on my head and then
No, it'll hurt. Liam, please, I don't trust Gran.
Oh, don't you dare say that.
Right, shh.
Right, from the top.
Is he still not a bit too close?
He's going to get wet. He might get wet.
Oh, okay, right. 10, 9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, we need to move it. I think it was just us screaming.
Don't be scared.
Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
Do you want to count?
Liam, come out the way.
Are we going to count down?
I don't want to count.
Has anyone missed it who wants to see it?
Anybody who missed it?
Again?
Yeah, or anyone that wants to see it again, let's face it, that was pretty cool.
Come on, round up. 5 pounds for each person.
She's going to fire it.
Can I press the button?
Right, is this
No, Darcy's doing it. Come on.
How
what's
long does it
happening
take? Ready?
Millie.
Are you ready for the countdown?
Liam,
Are you ready for
Darcy's doing it.
Granddad, help.
So can you get him away from it? He's not doing it.
He's fine there.
I've got to
Are we counting down?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready? Count down.
10,
9, 8,
7,
6, 5,
4,
3,
2, 1.
Go.
lost.